and act like nothing's wrong. What am I to do? Cause I love you so much. But there's only so many times I allow you to touch and flirt with other girls and expect to stay in my world. After your mistake, but I allow you to stay. I know I should leave, but you got a hold on me. What am I to do? I gotta get out, I gotta go. But if I don't leave now, then I don't know, no. I can't take it no more, I gotta leave you. But it's so hard, cause I just feel so trapped in this relationship. Trapped thinking I'm in love, but it's a myth. Every time you do me wrong, you plead the fifth. I know I should go, but I just feel so trapped.
I like that. Well, I don't know about your previous relationship, but I am single and I will not keep you trapped. I'm gonna bring my co-host up here. After she finished.
All right.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing, dog?